Last year, this entire job took a full-time hire, about $4,000 a month. Today, 5 AI tools handle the whole thing. Here's exactly what each one does, and the real task you can hand it today. First up, Zapier, the connective tissue for your entire stack. It links more than 8,000 apps, so the tools you already use start working together automatically. What's new is the governance layer on screen here. One place to set guardrails, control which AI models are allowed to act, and keep an audit trail of every single step, so AI handles your busy work without ever going off the rails. And this isn't hype. Over 450,000 teams already build on Zapier, with nearly 600 million tasks automated and counting. This is the foundation every other tool you're about to see plugs straight into. Here's the kind of thing you'd actually build. A workflow that watches your inbox, reads each new email with AI, and routes it to the right Slack channel or folder automatically. You describe it in plain English, Zapier's Copilot assembles the steps, and from then on, it runs around the clock. No manual sorting, nothing slipping through. Next, Lindy, an AI executive assistant that genuinely takes admin work off your plate. Watch what it handles. It reads every email, labels your inbox, and drafts replies in your voice, like this full pricing follow-up to a client, written and ready before you've even opened the thread. It schedules your meetings, preps you beforehand, and tracks every action item so nothing slips. And the pitch is hard to argue with. A human assistant runs $8,000 a month. Lindy does the same job for $49. For any founder or sales team buried in their inbox, that's 10 hours back every week. For technical teams that want full control, N8N is the power move. Where other tools lock you into a visual builder, N8N gives you both, drag and drop when you want speed, and real JavaScript or Python the moment you need custom logic. It's open source, self-hostable, and trusted enough to pull over 190,000 stars on GitHub. The use case here? Build a lead enrichment workflow live. A new contact comes in, N8N pulls company data, scores it, and pushes the enriched record straight to your team. You see the inputs and outputs at every step, and you test on real data before it ever touches a customer. Then there's Gumloop, for deploying AI agents in minutes instead of weeks. It's visual and fast, but serious under the hood. Companies like Gusto, Instacart, and Shopify run agents on it across their business, and it just raised a $50 million round. The task it's built for: point it at a spreadsheet of leads and let an agent bulk process every row, researching, qualifying, and writing personalized output at scale. A week of analyst work done in a single run. And Bardeen closes the loop on lead gen. It's an agentic web scraper. Give it a target and it finds leads no one else can, qualifies them with AI, enriches their contact details, and drops the whole list straight into Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion. The manual grind of building a prospect list, gone. You just hit run. 5 tools for a fraction of the cost of doing this by hand. Pick whichever one fixes your biggest bottleneck and automate it this week. And if you'd rather have it built for you, end to end, reach out to us at agentlabs.agency.